Hi, my name is Ward Tinsman, and I live a life of complete satisfaction. To be like me, there are several steps you must follow. Today we examine step 1. Eating healthy. Let's get well with Ward. These are my roommates, Eduardo and Ted. They are unwell. Tonight they dine on a supper of misery and self-loathing that masquerades as a tasty feast. But who can blame them? How does one resist these temptations? Every night before bed, I duct tape a slice of Domino's Meat Lovers pizza to my ceiling, and in the morning, the sight of it fills me with an insatiable lust. But it doesn't last. The devil's allure passes, and I am left clear-headed and ready for a great day, and ready to consume healthier goods, such as carrots and water. Congratulations, you are now one step closer to wellness. Be sure to join me next time on Get Well with Ward.